Welcome aboard Shamara. She is a beautifully kept Manta 42 Mark IV edition. So she's the latest in the Manta range, and she's also quite a late model. So this is absolutely all of the love and care over the years that Manta put into their boats, and this is the final rendition. So I'm really excited to show you on board. As you can tell, a key feature of the Manta range is this amazing raised aft seating on autopilot, cruising, or obviously relaxing on anchor. You're up here, you can see all the way around you on the beautiful island that you decided to anchor off of. And it's just an amazing feature of these boats. Manta are well renowned for their speed, strength, and just reliability. They're very, very self-sufficient boats. You've got solar, water maker, amazing battery on board, so you really can just go anywhere in the world. Easy 1 or 2 hand sailing, so all the lines lead back to the cockpit. Of course, you're enclosed here with this hard top and the clears on the front, which have all been put on new, so they're really, really nice and crystal. And it just means that you're nice and enclosed. Like I said, this is a blue water cruising boat, so realistically, you want to be safe, you want to be dry, and it just makes everything very, very easy to use. Got the galley up layout. You're all really included. You have 360-degree views whilst you're cooking, so you're still really included in the sailing. So she is a 3-cabin owner's version. So you have the queen size bed in the back with in your own hull, with your own bathroom. And then you've got 2 guest cabins ready for those fly in, fly out guests, or if you're a family and you want everyone on board. So Shamara has had a new mainsail fitted, as well as a relatively new forward sail. The stainless steel rigging throughout the boat has been done just in the last few years. So for insurance and obviously for safety purposes, you've got quite a long time left in that. It just means that this boat is absolutely ready, and I mean it when I say turnkey, ready to go. You could jump in this and head over to Fiji tomorrow. Some other features include an upgraded tender, so you can get everyone in on board, get your shopping back nice and easily. You've also got a brand new electric start outboard, just makes things just that much easier. The owners of Shamara have had her for over a decade now, and picking it up over in America, they've sailed her home over to Australia. And over that time, they've not only put a lot of love and care into the boat, but also just all those little thoughtful upgrades that you get when you actually live aboard and really live that long cruising lifestyle. A proven pedigree and amazing offshore capabilities. Shamara is a beautifully kept Manta 42, and she's just hit the market.